We are here together to associate with Vibrant Goa Foundation, which has extended an invitation to CDFG to associate with them in this grand tech summit, which is to be held on 22nd and 23rd at Kala Academy. We are happy to be associated with them, as we have in the past has gained a lot of experience in organizing tech shows for business oriented people, for the community, and apart from that we have also done many seminars and exhibits for the betterment of the IT community. So we look forward to a very exciting association with Vibrant Goa Foundation, and together I'm sure we will be meeting the aspirations of the business community and of the common man. Thank you very much.